भुवनेश्वर माननीय एमपी श्रीमती अपराजिता षडंगी अनुरोध करी से आसिक वक्तव्य रखी।
Honorable Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Swami Gautamanand ji Maharaj, Swami Suberanand ji Maharaj, Swami Atma Prabhanand ji Maharaj, Chandi Das ji, President Managing Committee Ramakrishna Mission, Mo Samnare Bosithiba, गुरुजन भाई भौणी माने आपण समस्त को मोर प्रणाम। बंधुगण, आज गोटे बहुत बड़ दिन। आज 31 अक्टोबर 2019 यही रामकृष्ण मठ 100 वर्ष पूरण करुछि। आज दिन रे it's a great day and all of us need to congratulate all the devotees and all the admirers associated with Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna Matha and Ramakrishna Mission, this is not a small body. This is an institution which inspires millions. For the convenience of all our Swamijis, respected Swamijis on the dais, off the dais, and many of the people present here, I think it would be good if I speak in English. There would be splashes of Odia and maybe in Hindi here and there for the convenience of all. Language does not matter much as long as you understand the spirit behind what I say. We all need to congratulate, as I told you, the devotees and the admirers for having successfully completed 100 years. I was collector of this district. I was municipal commissioner of this city. And let me honestly tell you, all those who are associated with this matter, that I have been emotionally involved with it. So many times, so many civic problems have come, so many law and order issues have come, and every time we had wonderful interaction with the staff of this great institution. It's definitely a lighthouse, a beacon in stormy waters. What is Ramakrishna Mission? What did Ramakrishna Paramhans say? If we ask in one line, he said, the realization of God is the sole goal of life. That's it. We bow down before the holy trio, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Srimati Sarda Devi, and Swami Vivekananda. बंधुगण, जदि वर्तमान आपण माने मोर कार्यालय को जिबे, मोर टेबल उपरे स्वामी विवेकानंद कर फोटो देखोबे। सबु बड़े जोटी रही, जोठी काम करिछि आ जोठी काम करिबी, स्वामी विवेकानंद होउछंती मोर आदर्श। Arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is reached. मो भाबुछि तांकोठु बड़ो आदर्श आम मानकर जीवन रे ओके हेई पारिबे नाही। एंड विथ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी मो आपण समस्त को जणाइबा को चाहे, बहुत विनम्रता सहित, जे स्वामी विवेकानंद करो 8टा वॉल्यूम अच्छी, कंप्लीट वर्क्स ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद. I have read all of them. And it's such a delight to go through all of them. I wish I could imbibe some of those virtues, and I wish I could follow those in my day-to-day life. When I came here, I was given a page, a small write-up on this particular matter, which I would definitely like to read out with the permission of all. Bhuvaneshwar Ramakrishna Matha and Mission completes its 100 years of eventful existence today, that is 31st October 2019. This ashram is the dream child of Swami Brahmanandaji Maharaj, a direct disciple of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna Deva and the first president of the Ramakrishna Order, with its headquarters at Belur Mutt, Havara, West Bengal. Maharajji visited Lingaraj Shiva temple in Bhuvaneshwar in May 1917 and felt a wonderful spiritual atmosphere. a desire grew into his mind to set up a branch center of Belur Mutt in this beautiful place. He deputed Swami Shankaranandji, his disciple, with the task of site selection and construction of a small building. Swami Shankaranandji was known to the people of coastal Odisha because of his massive relief work around Chilka Lake. When Shankaranandji selected the site, Swami Brahmanandji Maharaj himself came all the way to Bhubaneswar for final approval to the proposed plot of land, which is the present site. The construction of the building, this building, was started sometime in July 1917, and it was completed after 2 years, which he dedicated on 31st October 1919. He visited his favorite Bhubaneswar Mutt many times and liked very much to stay here, as in his opinion, both air and water was good for his health. He also liked the Sicilian nature of the ashram. Towards the end of 1920s, he stayed here for more than a year at a stretch. About the glory of Bhubaneswar, Maharajji said, "It is a yoga bhumi. Bhubaneswar is a yoga bhumi. Therefore, it's very conducive to practice yoga here. It's a place of Lord Shiva with a great spiritual ambience. It is Gupta Kashi. Practicing a little spiritual discipline here, one can accrue immense results." Maharajji envisaged a spiritual center at Bhubaneswar where the monks and devotees from different places would come and enjoy the wonderful spiritual fervor of the holy place. Brahmanandji's prediction about Bhubaneswar a century ago is a reality today. His clear vision was that Bhubaneswar would be rich, extensive, and prosperous one day to be the capital of Odisha. Started as a nucleus of Matha activities in 1919, the ashram has developed with its wider dimension during the last 100 years. The ashram is developed today as one of the big and prestigious centers of Ramakrishna Mutt and mission. It has been rendering services to the deserving people of Odisha through one temple shrine, an ME and high school, a charitable dispensary, a library, a tribal students' hostel, one Oriya publication unit, one book sale counter, one auditorium, monthly seminar on various socio-religious topics, and occasional relief activities. Friends, we are all here. Great institution, run by great people, dedicated people. If we really want to transform the society, if we really want to impact the lives of thousands, if we really want to bring in positive changes in the society, we actually need to know much more about Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekananda. ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନିଜର ନିଜର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯେ ସେମାନେ କିଛିଟା ପଢ଼ନ୍ତୁ, କିଛିଟା ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ. Swami Vivekananda was a yogi in action, and that is what the greatness was. He never said renounce everything and sit in the Himalayas. He never said that. He said yoga is an action. Renunciation is fine, but it's extremely important to actually go through the travails of life and still remain a sannyasi at heart. That's what it is. And when we are talking of Ramakrishna Matha in Bhubaneswar, nobody else would be prouder than I would be as the representative of this beautiful parliamentary constituency. I'm extremely proud to be the member of parliament from Bhubaneswar. Lingaraj Mahaprabhu achanti eti, au kon darkar. It's the temple city. And to add to all, we have Ramakrishna Matha here. Just before me, my predecessor, Swamiji, was talking about certain things which need to be done here. I would definitely like to assure the Ramakrishna Mission associates who are located here in Bhubaneswar that as Member of Parliament, whatever I can do to create a conducive environment for all of you. I would be very much feel proud and grateful to each one of you for having asked me so. I'm always at your service, and once again I congratulate each one of you who have assembled here. Thank you so much.